In this video, I'm going to show you how to export Krita Animation as a GIF, step by step, so you can quickly turn your animation into a shareable file for social media, previews, and simple web use. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Krita tutorials. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First, open your Krita project and make sure your animation is ready to export. Once you're inside the project, go to the top menu bar and click File. From the drop-down menu, select Render Animation. This is the option Krita uses to export your animation into a usable file format. When the Render Animation window opens, look for the Export section. Here, select the Video Radio button. Even though we're creating a GIF, this setting is what lets Krita render the animation properly as a video-style output before you choose the GIF format. Next, set your first frame and last frame values. These numbers define the exact part of your animation that will be exported. If you want the full animation, make sure the first frame starts at the beginning of your timeline and the last frame reaches the final frame of your project. This is important because it controls the length of the exported GIF. After that, find the Render As drop-down menu. Click it and select OGG-index/GIF animation. This is the key format setting that tells Krita you want your animation exported as a GIF instead of another video type. Once you choose this option, Krita will prepare the export settings for GIF output. Now you need to choose where the file will be saved. Click the folder icon next to the file field. This opens a file browser so you can pick your output destination folder. It's a good idea to save it somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a dedicated exports folder, especially if you plan to upload or share it right away. Then, set your file name. Make sure the file name ends with the extension .gif. This is very important because it helps ensure the export is saved in the correct format. If the extension is missing or incorrect, the file may not behave like a GIF when you open it later. Once everything looks correct, double-check your frame range, your export format, and your save location. If all the settings are right, click OK at the bottom right to start the render process. Krita will now compile your animation and export it as a GIF. Depending on the length of your animation and the speed of your computer, the render may take a little time. When it's finished, go to the folder you selected and open the exported file to make sure everything looks the way you want it to. And that's it. You've successfully exported a Krita animation as a GIF. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more Krita tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.